Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making it safe. Unplug everything and touch a grounded metal surface to discharge static. Once done, closely inspect the cable, connector, and brick for frays, burn marks, or exposed wires because visible damage dictates different fixes. Make sure you have a multimeter, a soft brush, 90% isopropyl, and a spare cable or tip available. These let you test voltage, clean contacts, and swap parts quickly so you can isolate the fault. You now perform targeted tests. Measure the charger's output voltage at the connector with a multimeter to verify it meets specs, because wrong voltage proves the brick is bad. Next, clean the connector pins and port gently with isopropyl and a soft brush. This removes oxidation that prevents contact. Then, swap in a known good charger or cable. If the Macbook charges, you've isolated the issue to the original cable or brick and can move to repair or replace. You complete the repair by replacing the damaged component. Swap the cable or detachable tip for frayed or broken parts, and only attempt soldering if you're experienced because poor joints cause shorts. If the brick's output was out of spec, replace the whole adapter. For USB-C, faulty PD negotiation usually means replacing the cable or adapter. Finally, boot the MacBook, confirm charging indicators and battery percent. If it still won't charge, run an
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.